guys, it's your girl Faith L93, and thank you all for tuning back into my channel. And if you're new to my channel up here just lurking around, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below so that you do not miss out on any of my videos. Also, if you're not following me on my Instagram, I'm going to leave it right over here somewhere. Follow me at faithL93 _ on Instagram. Go ahead and follow me, sis. Okay. All right, so you guys, I am back with a hair video today. This is going to be a natural hair tutorial. I am going to be trying Bantu knots on my hair. I have not tried Bantu knots since like 2013 or so, 2013, 2014. It's been a minute, sis. So I've already shampooed and blow dried out my hair because I wanted as much elongation as possible, okay? So yeah. So I blow dried out my hair. This is what it's looking like right now. And I'm only gonna be using one product today. I'm gonna be using the Camille Rose Aloe Whipped Butter Gel. So this is what we're going to be using. Okay, so basically I'm going to keep my middle part, and I'm gonna do kind of chunky Bantu knots, not like super duper small, because I want like a big kind of fluffy look, I guess. So yeah, that's what we're gonna go with. And now I'm about to just do my hair. Y'all gonna get this voiceover and yeah, I will come back with the final results in the morning because I am going to sleep with this and let it dry overnight. So yeah. Alright you guys, so we are starting off by parting my hair in large chunky sections. I want chunky parts and not that many Bantu knots because like I said, I want my hair to be pretty big. And the only product that I'm going to be using is the Almond Joy twisting butter. I did put some oil on those rubber bands just to help with no breakage and stuff. So all I'm taking is that twisting butter, and we are just twisting it up into a Bantu knot. Now I did not really care the way that I twisted it up in the back, but when I get to the front of my hair, I am going to start doing the Bantu knot where I am twisting it away from my face because that's how I want the curls to fall. I want them to kind of fall away from my face. Now we are at the front of my head, and as you can see right here, I'm going to start twisting the Bantu knot going backwards so that it's going away from my face, and that's how I did the whole front part of my hair. I think I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I have 10 Bantu knots in my head all over. So I'm gonna put my bonnet on and go to sleep, and we're going to see what it's looking like in the morning, you guys. So I will see y'all in the morning, okay? All right, you guys, so it is the very next day, and I slept with these in, and now we're about to take them out. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of this Jamaican black castor oil in my hands to take them down, just like Ooh, that's a little bit too much. Just a little bit too much. Alright, and I'm just gonna take this and kind of just rub it in my hands. Okay, as I take these out. So we're just gonna start in the back. That's where I started from. I hope these dried. Oh, I hope they dried. Alright. Okay. Alright, and then we're just gonna separate like a little bit by a little bit. I'm gonna go get my blow dryer real quick, and we're gonna blow dry on my roots. And yeah, I'll be right back. Alright, you guys, so I went and like blow dried my roots. I feel like it's not as damp. Okay, so now I'm just gonna try to kind of fluff my hair with my fingers first. Kind of get rid of these parts. Just kind of finger fluff it first, and then I'm gonna take my handy dandy pick and we're going to kind of fluff out the roots. Y'all, this turned out really cute. I love it. Okay, I gotta fluff it out right here at the top. Now I need to get that back part. So we're just kind of pulling the pick through, not like all the way, but just partly. Okay, because we don't want to mess up the curls. Okay, y'all, I like it. I'm gonna put some like edge control around my edges. Put some right there. Put some on this side. Okay. We're cute. Alright, you guys, so this is the final look of how my hair looks, and I love it, guys. The back might not look that great. I think the back kind of looks a little frizzy, but yeah, But I think maybe next time I might do a little bit smaller sections. So like instead of have 10 Bantu knots in my head, I might put like, I don't know, 12 or 13, just to see if it can give me a little bit more definition. But I'm loving it. This might be my new go-to, y'all. Like when I want to wear my natural hair. Cause it was like super duper quick to just put them little knots up. I ain't have to like worry about twisting my hair and all of that. I like it. All right, you guys, so let me know what you guys think about my hair in the comment section below. Like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your peoples, okay? And let me know what else y'all want to see on my YouTube channel. I'm about to come back with a vengeance, baby, because we gotta get these videos out. And I need to get back on my YouTube game. Like, I need to get back to uploading. So, yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I will see you all in my next one. Bye.